Welcome to 120 South Street East in Raynham, Massachusetts. Conveniently located right off of Route 24 and 44, making it ideal for commuting. I'm so excited to show you this property and showcase this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a custom Victorian tower built in. The primary suite is on this side with a finished walkout basement, and your secondary bedrooms are on the opposite side of the home. This garage is a 30-foot by 30-foot. Just a lot of great amenities and special custom work here. And let me take you on a tour of this beautiful home.